Okay, next we'll see okay, MIT app inventor steps. Okay, how to develop the app. Okay, so first step is you want to design the user interface. Okay, so for the app we want to design a user interface, and next step is you want to code that app, and third step is you want to test the app by using AI companion, okay, or emulator, and fourth step is you want to package the app for the use. Okay, so first two steps is very important. Okay, we want to design the user interface, and coding the app is very important. See, for example, I want to develop a app for student registration. Okay, so this is the design. Okay, I want to make design like this. Okay, in the first thing I want to make online registration. Okay, and student's name. Okay, and text box. Okay, and password. Okay, text box. Okay, and then submit. Okay, so this is the design. Okay, so okay, we can do in here. Okay, okay, first thing you want is you want to give the name. Okay, that is online registration. Okay, this is the name. Okay, so for this I am using the option label. See here you can see in the user interface. Okay, this is user interface. So in the option you okay, you can see the label option. Okay, because I want to write the name. Okay, so for this I am using label option. See here. Okay, you just want to drag this option. Okay, you just drag this option and, okay, and put here. Okay, test for label. Okay, after that you want to type the name. Okay, for name you go okay in the properties option section. Okay, so in the property section you can okay, in the property section you can do some alteration. See, for example, I want to name this one. Okay, this label. So the okay, so I'm giving name here. Okay, what is the name I'm giving is okay, online registration. See here you can see. Okay, so the name I'm giving was online registration. Okay, so I can bold this one. Okay, I can increase the font size up to 16, and then I'm making the okay font bold. Okay, so here I can make it center. Okay, I'm making center. Okay, so okay, to make it center you go to the screen section. Okay, in the component you go in the screen. Okay, so in the screen you can see the properties like this. Okay, that is center. Okay, align horizontal center. Okay, so okay, I'm giving center option. Okay, so next thing I want is okay, I want student name and password label. Okay, so for this I am going okay, similarly okay, I'm picking the label here. Okay, before this I'm doing one thing. What is the means? See here. Okay, so in the thing we are having four student name. We want to use student's name. Okay, text box for writing the student name. Okay, and password. Okay, and text box for writing the password. Okay, so for this I'm making a table. Okay, yeah, 2 into 2 table. Okay, see, for making a table you go layout. Okay, the layout section you can see layout. Okay, in the layout you can see table arrangement. Okay, so you drag and drop here table. So what is the type of table means? The table I want to give okay 2 column and 2 rows. Okay, and the width I'm making full width. Okay, fill parent. Okay, so fill parent means it makes full width. Okay, so I'm making full width. So in this I want to give the label like this. Okay, so first label is I want to give here, that is okay, student name. So this label is student name. Okay, student name, then this font size 16. Okay, next I want to text box. Okay, see in the design. Okay, so in this design I want to give the name. Okay, and then I want to give the text box. Okay, for writing the name. So for this I'm going here text box. See here in this you can see text box. Okay, so okay, placing here. that is I am placing this text box here. Okay, so here I want to make okay text box. I kept text box here. Okay, okay, and this thing is I want to give the password label. So for this I am giving password label. So here I changing the name password. Okay, so here's the thing. Okay, so in the here I am changing the password. And then I'm changing the font size 16. Okay. Okay, after that I want to give text box. Similarly here also text box. So I'm dragging this one, I'm putting here. Okay, see in okay, we are having 2 into 2 table. Okay, that is 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so for this, okay, see here. Okay, in the blue section you want to place the text box like this. Okay, after that, okay, so now we are ready with these things. Okay, that is we design student's name, password, and online registration, and text box student. Okay, 2 text box. Okay, so after that you want to give this submit button. Okay, for this I am giving the buttons. Okay, okay, in user interface you will have buttons. See here. Okay, this is button. Okay, so I am placing here. See like this. Okay, I want to change the name of the button. Okay, that is submit. So for this you go in the property section. Okay, in the test for button you give submit. Okay, so you okay I can even change the color. Okay, so I'm giving red color. See here. So this is the design. Okay, basic design for the online registration for the student's name and password. Okay, the first one is you want to make okay, so first thing is I give the label. See here in the in the component you can see. Okay, this is screen 1. Okay, so in the screen 1 I give the label. Okay, the first thing is I give the label. Okay, and next thing is I got table arrangement. Okay, in the label 2 is the student name. Okay, student name is label 2. See here. Okay, text box, this text box, and the label 3 is password, and text box I give, and button I give submit. Okay, so in the label 1 I give this one online registration. Okay, so this is the simple designing for online registration for online registration for the app. Okay, online registration app. Okay, so next you want to so this is the case. Okay, so after submitting it, after submitting it want to go to another screen. Okay, to show that successful. Okay, so for this I am taking the screen 2. Okay, I am adding the screen. Okay, I am adding the screen 2 because after giving submit. Okay, so it want to show that successful. So for this I am getting successful. Okay, registration. Okay, registration successful. Okay, for this I am giving the center and middle. See here. Okay, simply I am giving bold. Okay, so in the screen 1 we are writing the names. Okay, in the screen 1 we are writing your names and password. Okay, so after giving submit it want to go to screen 2. Okay, so for this I am giving registration successful in the screen 2. Okay.